Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin's been holding above the price of 100,000 very well, which has definitely fueled a lot of optimism in the altcoin market as everything has seen inflow of cash and the outflow is not much, and that can be seen by the price increasing very rapidly for a lot of coins. If you just look at the overall trend, you can see that Bitcoin's just holding over 100,000 as Ethereum is nearly about to cash in on 4,000. Dogecoin is holding really strong, close to a really strong support, close to 42 cents, and the trading volume for the whole market is up by 4%. On the other end, CEO Mark Zuckerberg donates 1 million to President-elect Trump. This is a way for him to get involved, just like Elon. Doge flaw exploited by hacker crashes 69% of the nodes. Dogecoin gears up for 50-cent breakout, and Vancouver passes motion to become the Bitcoin-friendly city. This is just to get ahead of the US as early as possible. There's definitely a lot of things happening, but before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. This will help you stay up to date with everything, the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, tap the subscribe and the like button because you want to make sure the YouTube algorithm pushes the video out to the more people. That's going to be allowing the user engagement to go up, more inflow of cash into the crypto market. The market keeps climbing and a lot of us make a lot of profit, so make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, yesterday when I showed the open interest for Dogecoin, a lot of you guys also wanted to compare to how Bitcoin is performing. So let me show you. So right now, Dogecoin's open interest is sitting close to 2.7 billion, which is still very good. And Bitcoin's open interest is sitting close to 30 billion. It's up about 5%, while Doge is just holding at the same price. But if you look at the long to the short ratio, that's going to be the point that's going to get you a little bit interested in Dogecoin. For Bitcoin, you can see it's 52% of the traders which are holding their position are actually going long on Bitcoin's price, and 48% are going short. If you look at Dogecoin on the other end, it's actually a much different story, as 75% of the traders are going long and 24% are going short. What does this mean? Does this mean that Dogecoin price is 100% guaranteed to go up? And the answer is no. This can also be taken in another way, that there is very risky plays by a lot of, degen traders against Dogecoin, as they're going to be taking, let's say, 100x leverage that's could actually crash the price even harder. What do I mean by that? Let's say a whale decides to sell a huge bag. What's going to happen? The price is going to come down. The people who are playing on a really high leverage, such as 100x, there's going to be a very high risk that they are going to be liquidated. When they get liquidated, the price is going to fall even harder, and then there will be panic selling. When there is panic selling, the price will go down quicker. Then we would have to wait for a support. Now, I'm not implying the fact that this is a bad thing, but I'm just trying to say that this is actually a really good thing, as well as a lot more people believe that the price is going to go up. So it can be seen as two different ways. If we talk about the price action for Dogecoin, you can see that the reversal from, retesting close to 36 cents was huge. It was a very quick reversal, but it's actually acting exactly as what happened at end of November. You can see it was a quick reversal, then there was a little bit of consolidation, another big run up, consolidation, and run up. So I feel like the same pattern is going to follow this time around as well. As long as Bitcoin is able to hold above 100,000, Dogecoin definitely has a lot of potential to climb even higher. Now, another thing is Meta CEO Mark donates $1 million. Now, this is huge because he's sort of switching teams. At one point, he was not a great supporter of Trump, but as Trump is going to come into power, there's going to be a lot of things that Elon will have a say in, and Mark just wants to make sure that he does not lose so much power. And Dogecoin flaw exploited by a hacker. So security researchers claim that the vulnerability could have been used to crash the entire Dogecoin network. I mean, 69% of the nodes were crashed, and that's a huge amount. And Dogecoin is gearing up for the next leg up. If we can just hold 44 cents, there's a very strong chance that we will break this year's high and get all the way to 50 cents very quickly. And Vancouver, now if you guys do not know, 6 councillors supported the motion while 2 opposed it over the concerns about the potential use of digital asset in activities or illegal activities and environmental impacts of mining. What's really interesting about this is you guys need to understand, as Trump is going to be coming into power for America, Canada just wants to ensure that they are able to be on the same page and be able to climb it. That's what they want. They want to make sure that they are leading, or they can become the Bitcoin friendly to ensure that they can make profit from this. On the other end, Tesla reaches its all-time high of $420 a share. That's a lot of money that you need to pay for a single share. And on the other end, Elon just became the first person in the world to be having a network of 400 billion. Now, Dogecoin whales bought 210 million Doge during the recent correction. So you can see that the whales are still buying on the back end. Australia proposes a stricter crypto rule to curb the financial crimes. There is a lot of financial crimes happening in Australia. I mean, I was reading the news and there was over millions and millions of dollars which was being stolen by the public, and that's actually causing a lot of people to have a panic, and that's exactly what they're trying to fix. Now, Bitcoin whales are buying every dip. I mean, a lot of wallets, about 340 wallets bought over 100 Bitcoin during the price from 104 to 90,000. And Australia's wealth manager AMP invests 27 million in Bitcoin as the first major superannuation fund to embrace crypto. This is interesting because that sort of money actually flowing into the crypto market is huge. This is going to be allowing the crypto market to do bigger numbers as more money or financial money actually flowing through it. And Argentina partners with El Salvador on digital asset regulation issues. So the current regulatory institution in Argentina has signed a collaboration agreement with Digital Asset National Commission of El Salvador to exchange information, supervision, and regulate cryptocurrency exchange operations. I mean, Argentina is not able to hold themselves very sustainable, and seeing how well El Salvador was able to do so, this would be a very good opportunity for both the countries and for crypto as well. US spot Bitcoin ETF crosses 500,000 Bitcoin in circulatory inflow, indicating a growing institutional interest into Bitcoin. So you guys can see there is definitely a lot of good news coming out towards the whole crypto market and actually Dogecoin to allow it to climb even higher. So there is definitely a lot more upside potential as compared to downside as of now. Experts caution about Bitcoin 100,000 surge amid the leverage warning and investment strategies. I do think that the next leg up is going to go to 130k, and then we will see some sort of slowing down. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.